Damn, they have to mess it up. No motorized vehicles. It's like a swamp right here.
Well, see what it is. That's why they do that. Because you get kids coming down here on ATVs and they start doing fucking dugouts and spinning their fucking tires and digging fucking mud holes and shit. And they don't want them tearing up the road either. Because then it makes it harder for vehicles to get down here. Because not everybody has four-wheel drive. Bro, there's a bear. No.
Yeah. I love to say. You stopped me.
Oh, you making a video? Yeah. Uh-oh. We're going to be too famous. We'll get more popular.
Oh yeah, this is a beautiful spot.
Damn. Ooh, look at the wave. Damn, why it's got to be raining?
Oh, fuck.
Don't slip, bro.
We should have came here earlier.
It's been raining all fucking morning.
You can like walk all the way to Glass Beach over here. I'm sure you can get to Glass Beach faster this way.
That other beach that's where we went, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's like down there.
Yeah.